Welcome back to Coyote Classics. Today we are checking out an absolutely beautiful 1972 Chevy Nova. This is an extremely nice triple black bucket seat center console. The previous owner just installed a brand new 400 cubic inch blueprint crate engine. This engine's putting out 510 horsepower. It's only got 1,300 miles on that brand new crate.
And that's a nice engine. Those blueprint engines are expensive.
Yes, yeah, they
How
are.
much horsepower?
510.
Holy shit, that's a lot out of a small block.
Yeah, absolutely.
Looks like they did upper and lower control arms.
Really nice high dollar suspension. CVF hood hinges.
Yeah, Optima battery, aluminum radiator.
It's got upgraded suspension too, QA1, tubular upper and lower control arms with adjustable coilovers in the front. And then it's got Caltracs bars in the rear too. Nice set of headers, power steering.
Beautiful paint.
It's got probably the nicest black paint job I've seen on a car. I mean, everywhere you go is just a mirror, just glass.
Too bad the sun went under. It was just so bright here.
But even right now, look at this, Dad.
Okay.
Look at that. Just a mirror. You can't.
It's a really pretty car.
Laser straight body.
What a nice Nova. It's got a great stance too.
It does.
Pretty much straight across, but just a little bit of rake to it.
It's
like the bumpers have all been redone. The gap around the trunk lid's nice.
He just put this brand new vinyl top on it. Had that professionally installed.
What's this?
That's just a little go bag, like a little kit with jumper cables and flashlight.
Every car should have one of those.
Yeah.
Hey,
really nice trunk.
Huh?
And even on the Chevelles, where you want to look to is this panel here. It's where a lot of times they're us. This is excellent, and the undercarriage on this is very, very nice. I was just underneath of it, and rock solid, super clean original. New Ridler wheels, Nitto tires.
Looks like our bottom of a door is nice and tucked in the front and back. Corner of the door is rust-free, perfect. No issues there at all. Paint in the door jamb is super nice as well. Door panels are excellent. Correct bucket seat console. The front seat pattern matches the back. It's always something you want to ask because a lot of times on these Novas they put aftermarket seats or something, they never match. So these look like the correct seats, factory console in there. Aftermarket gauges, but in the correct spots. They just went with newer style gauges, probably more accurate.
Chrome fire extinguisher mounted there. Upgraded retro sound style radio. There's your dash pad. This car is just nice, man. There's a huge difference between one like this and just your run-of-the-mill driver.
Yeah. Yeah, definitely a show car. There's no doubt about it.
Posi Rear End with 411 gears. Transmission was rebuilt as well. It's got a 3700 stall.
Found a little flaw though. Looks like maybe a little burn through right there. Just a little tiny speck.
Good eye. Look at this. Look at when you look up and down the sides though. Look at the finish on that paint.
Wow. Yeah, that's super sharp. Yeah, it's not even a full sun day and you can see your reflection perfectly anywhere.
You can see it inside too, just even in the showroom. It's like
nice.
A mirror.
Looks like we got front disc brakes, drum on the rear. Nice gap here. Now this stuff's all original, Dalt, so you can still see a few little, the paint's just faded a little in there. Don't you think that's original?
No.
You don't think so?
No, there's a couple scuffs there, but a lot of the rest of it looks pretty good, but possibly. Because the chrome's not super good.
It looks good, I'm just saying it's, and I like when they leave that on there, the door edge guard. Yeah, the body molding.
Corner of the door, rust-free there, real nice. Door panels are great. Now it came in with the SunPro tack that works on the column, but we ordered a brand new factory cluster that'll have a factory tack and a new speedometer. Before the car ships out, it just takes a couple weeks for that gauge to come in. Yeah. We'll get that installed for the previous owner.
Yeah, as long as we're going to do that, we're going to fix that factory tack too. It was factory tack car, just wasn't working properly. So as long as we got to do that speedometer head, we're going to go ahead and do it all there.
Yeah, for sure. Windshield's really nice and headliner's excellent.
Dome light works as well. I'm excited to drive it.
Yeah, it's got a lot of power. Sounds good, runs good. Nice cowl hood and really nice gaps. This thing is sweet. We've had a lot of Novas. I put this one at the top of my list as far as being one of my all-time favorite Novas that we've had come through here.
It's just nice, beautiful paint, straight body, and then the interior is just excellent. You know, you get a factory console like this, in good shape. All right, let's just start with the things. See if we got a radio that works here. Turns on. Yep. They're all like that. They're all so touchy on this volume, aren't they?
Yeah.
Okay, so that works good. Wipers work. Looks like the guys put new blades on it as well. And they are 2-speed wipers and parked correctly. Heater fan does not work. This does not have heat or air. Something a guy can go ahead and add vintage air if you want to.
Yeah. Yep.
Stuff we do here too, so you can always ask your salesperson on a price on that if that's something you want or need. Here's your gauges. So gas gauge works. We're just under half a tank here. Temp gauge works. We're right at 140 right now. Oil pressure's at 30. As far as our volts are at 14, so it's charging good. Tachometer here on the steering wheel works. Horn works. Steering wheel's in excellent condition.
Yeah, just sweet.
Got seat belts in the front, seat belts in the rear.
Owner's manual.
It was a factory air car, so that's kind of cool.
Yeah. And I like it's got the perfect amount of miles in the drivetrain. The previous owner did, you know, the motor and stuff in the last year and a half, and 1,300 miles is perfect. It's nice and fresh.
Yeah, and it's been broken, and it got a lot of the little quirks out of it. Oil pressure right now at idle's built up to 50 pounds already.
Windows go up really nicely.
You know, the glass sitting in here is pretty damn clear too.
Yeah.
Windshield looks really nice and clear, and the rest of the glass looks clear from in here. It's a great car. If you're looking for an absolute show quality car, this is it. I mean, you can't beat a black Chevelle or a Nova.
Yeah. And he's wicked, huh? And I like the black vinyl top. Just that triple black sets it up.
Yeah, triple black car. As far as our steering wheel goes, steering wheel is nice and straight. Again, I mentioned the speedometer is not working. It was making some noise, so we unhooked it, you know, and ordered a new one.
Yeah.
So that's what we did. It has a great idle. What's this got for gears? You remember? It's a lower, I think.
Yeah, like 411s, I think.
Yep.
And with that stall, it shifts really nice.
That is nice because you're sitting at a stop sign.
Yep. And it doesn't, you know, especially with that 500
Doesn't
horsepower
surge
motor.
at
Yeah,
you.
it's no surging. Smooth. Well built.
With that stall, it just doesn't. I mean, it feels like a centrifugal clutch.
Yeah.
It doesn't. You don't even feel a shift, do you?
Yeah, it's just like one. Yeah, it feels like one big gear.
Like
yeah,
a
with that stall.
snowmobile.
Yeah. Handles good too.
It's awesome. What an awesome car. As far as going down the road, goes down the road really nice. High-speed braking. Brakes are perfect. Front disc brakes, you wouldn't want anything else besides that. Really nice. As we were getting it even warmed up more, look at that oil pressure, 55 pounds at an idle, 180 degrees. Great idle still. Just want to jump in it. Go there, you could actually feel the shift for a second to third. Great car, guys.
Yeah, it is. Just gonna see if the radio, it's AM, FM, and aux, so you can, you know, hook your phone up to it.
Nice.
Nice speakers. Badass Nova. Check it out in more detail on the website, coyoteclassics.com. This one's not going to be around long. You just don't find them built out like this very often. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next test drive.